So x-axis is this way, y-axis is to the right, and z is upwards. X, y, and z. So x plus y is z. Now I do 9. So here's how we do. 90 degrees about x, 90 degrees about y. Let's do 90 degrees about x. X is this. So 90 degrees about x. Okay. Now what happens is x will remain unchanged, it will be this way, but y would be up and z would be this way. In fact, x, y, z always moves, remains the same as the object rotates. X is always going to be here, y is always going to be here, z is always going to be here. So again, x, y, z, x, rotate 90 degrees, we are here. Now rotate by 90 degrees about the new y-axis. So the new y-axis is this way. We rotate this way. We ended. So you see that, you see del here. I started this way, del was up. Now you see del there. So remember this. It should be this way if rotations commute. Okay, now let's do it the other way. X, y, and z. First rotate about 90 degrees about the y-axis. Y is this way, 90 degrees. Okay. And then 90 degrees about the x-axis. Remember the x-axis is always in that way, because it moves with the body. And then so we turn by 90 degrees about the x-axis. And so del is now this way. So we started this way and ended up this way with the first set of rotations. But when I changed the order, I ended up this way. So rotations do not commute.